Hey guys, so today's review is going to be on Sensationnel Swiss Lace Wig Kaira. This wig review is going to be brought to us today from Sam's Beauty. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So let's go ahead on and let's get into a quick unboxing. So as you can see, the care card on this wig is definitely giving. She is wearing it, you guys. I love it so much. I have it in this color, Money Piece Platinum. So you get this platinum color in the front, streaked around that frontal, and then it is going to be 1B in the back. As you start to look inside the wig, you'll notice that the lace on this is so transparent. This is part of the Cloud 9 series, so it's just beautiful, beautiful lace. You get 3 combs, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and then you also get those adjustable straps back there. This wig fits so good. It's ventilated. I absolutely love this wig, you guys. So when I originally got the wig, obviously I was like, I'm going to tint the lace because I wanted it to match my skin tone. But I realized later that using that tint was a mistake. I went ahead on and I left this clip in, and I'm going to show you guys a reinstalling of it without having that brown in the front. But I wanted to leave this in to show you that when you do have a platinum color, if you start to use that spray, a lot of times it makes it look very, very weird in the front because that spray comes through and of course it dyes that hair. So as you can see here, what I did after I cut the lace off, this wig was super easy to lay down. Is I just went in with a little bit of spray. I did this in the flip over method because I felt like that looked better, and then I pulled down just a few of those edges. Now my hairline does come out a little more, so I did have to make sure that I got strategic with pulling it down. I went in and used some of the Got to Be Glued gel, and I used the one that's clear, not the one that's in the yellow bottle, because I didn't want to put any color or any kind of crust or anything on that frontal in the front. So this is going to be me reinstalling this wig, and as you can see, all that orange stuff in the front is gone. What I did is I used a little bit of Dawn dish detergent and I went along that hairline and I washed it, and I got all of it out. I didn't wash the entire wig. I didn't have to. I wore the wig for about a week, and then I took it off, and like I said, I reinstalled it. This wig is gorgeous. Getting strategic on where I wanted to place the color in the front, that took a little bit of time.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much going to be an update when it comes to this wig. This wig is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I got like so many compliments when it came to this wig just because of the color in the front. I feel like yeah, it may not be for everybody, but if you can pull it off, it's very pretty. So I probably went over it that this one here is Money Piece Platinum. Now I do have this wig in another color, and if I get a chance, I will link it here or somewhere below. When I did it in the other color, I think I have it in like a gold type color or something like that. That wig was textured, so it didn't sit right. It just was like, I don't know, it was like kind of poofy and kind of thick, or maybe kind of coarse. But this one here definitely feels like more I don't know, it feels more silky if you ask me. I think that I like this one better. The other one didn't bend as much. Maybe you don't like this bend, but I do, because I feel like the bend gives it like more body and everything, and you can just play with it. And then with these streaks in the front or whatever, I think that looked really good. Now if you don't like it, I'm sure you could probably cut some of it out, or if you want to go in and like maybe darken the root. But I think this is super cute, and I love the way that you know, I end up wearing it. I just think that this is, like I said, I just think it's really cute, and it sits really well. So when I washed it, I just literally washed the lace. I didn't wash the whole wig, and yeah, this is how it came out. So you guys, let me know if you like this. Would you try to pull it off? Is it something that you know you would try to wear? Now the great thing is, if you want to show scalp, as you guys can see, you can show some scalp. I liked it in like the flip over. I thought that looked good, and then I just kind of put this side right here behind my ear. I felt like that looked good to me. But you guys, let me know what you think. Should I put a part in there? And let me part it for those who like might want a part or something. If you slide it right up in here like so, you know, you could literally like lay it flatter and get a part and like hide that if you don't want it to be seen or whatever. yeah, you could like hide it. But like I said, I like the cut on this. I like everything about it. I will probably be rocking it for a while just because it's so easy to put on. Even after I do other reviews, I'll probably put this one back on just because it's super, super cute. People kept thinking that the color was gray, and I'm like, it's not gray. So maybe with it blending with the black, that made it look gray. Do you think it looks gray? I mean, I really think it looks platinum, but people kept saying like, oh, I love that gray in the front. And then somebody asked me, did that gray grow out like that? And I was like, this is like platinum. This isn't gray. So at any rate, I mean, I like it. So thank y'all again. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for always pointing to the channel and sending this one over and sponsoring this video. I appreciate you guys as usual. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Otherwise, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.